All right, Colty, come check it out. I don't want you to see it. I want to surprise you. Come stand right here.
Okay.
And look at this.
What is that?
Is that so cool?
What is it?
Wait, watch. You erase marbles on it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, watch this. You ready? Listen. Did it play a song?
I don't know what
All right,
song it was.
listen again. Listen. Does that sound familiar?
No.
All right, I'm going to help you with it. You ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Is that cool?
But how do we make it say past lives?
I don't know. Here, stand up. I'm going to hold you. Grab it. Try it. Let's see if you can do it. Is that fun?
Can we make it play past
We can make it
lives?
play different songs. Look. All we have to do are swap out the notes. Like, say, if we wanted to change this note, we'll pull this one out. And we can put this note in. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Did that sound different?
I don't know what that song is.
That wasn't a song. We changed it, huh?
Okay, let's put this.
Where do you want to put it?
Let's put it at this one.
Up at this one. All right, hold on. Get a marble. Drop it in the top.
I'm gonna get this.
Uh-oh. You ready? Come on. Let's see what song you made. What do you think?
I think that's the Amazing Digital Circus song.
Oh, you think that's the Amazing Digital Circus song? I think you made a good song. Which one you want to swap out now?
A with G.
Okay, so we'll take...
It's like A is stuck to the wall. It's like
Okay.
A is stuck to the wall.
With a G. All right, get a marble. Let's see.
Okay, got it.
Oh, it fell off the back. Let's do it again.
Can I do two more?
You can do two marbles. All right, let's see.
Hooray!
Hooray!
I think it says hooray!
So how do you rate this toy on a scale of 1 to 10?
10, no, 10 out of 10.
You give it a 10, you like it? Are you going to make some cool songs with it? Oh, let's see. Awesome.
One is always cake coming out.
Well, as you can see, Colty really enjoyed this toy. I actually had to pull him away from it for me to finish this review on it. And this is a great toy for developing music and hand and eye coordination because they do have to build it. But overall, it's a really fun little toy. It only takes like 5 minutes to put together. It's really simple assembly. And it has these little weighted marbles that just follow down the track as you saw, and it rings the different notes. And you can change out the notes. They do give you quite a few extras, so you can actually play different songs if you want to. They show you in the instructions how to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and the Do Re Mi Fa Sol La, but you can, coordinate any song that you can make in this number of notes. It's cool that they have these little mid-track posts right here that you can put the notes on to get an extra note and actually change the timing of the music, which I thought was pretty cool. It does also come with a nice full color manual, and you can see on the back side it tells you the different notes and the sounds of the notes, and even for the assembly itself you can see it's all full color, making it quite simple to put together. And as I said, it's a great toy for development. Colty really likes the marble run thing, and then to combine it with music is just really exciting for him. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.